Alright guys, so welcome to the day 3 of our challenge on our road to making crazy amount of money doing affiliate marketing with ChatGPT. Right, my first video I told you guys the process, the products we'll be promoting, the niche, and our strategy. We'll be creating blog content and all. Then my second video I showed you guys step by step how to create a WordPress website. Now I have a good news for you guys in this third video. We've not even gone far in the process. I've started making money from ClickBank. Right, I'm going to show you guys with proof so that you guys will see how transparent everything is. In my first video I showed you guys my ClickBank account. I did not have any money in my ClickBank, and I showed you guys my Nutri profit. I had like $48 in my Nutri profit. Right now I already have $10 on my ClickBank. I'm going to show you guys the money. You can see it here. This is $10 on my ClickBank. Right, this is the particular ClickBank account I'm using to promote products. This MC Agabzi. Right, you can see here payment balance $10 48 cents. Right, but then let's continue with the tutorial process. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys, now that we have our blog already, now I'm going to be showing you guys how we begin to gather content and create articles from our blog to ChatGPT. And if the time permits me, I'm going to still show you guys how we can move those articles to our blog for now. Right, that is what I'll be doing in today's video. I want to be taking everything step at a time so that I will not be rushing anybody, because there are some fundamental things we need to set up. When we set them up, then there's a point where we begin to push for traffic that we can use to make sale. Now, first thing we need to do is to go to the marketplace. The marketplace of this platform. On this marketplace, I'm going to click here, marketplace. This is for the ClickBank account. I told you guys I enjoy using ClickBank to promote products. Nutri Profit is good, it's free, totally free, absolutely free. If you can create a Nutri Profit account, you can go ahead and create it. But me, I will be using both ClickBank and Nutri Profit. Most likely I'll be using ClickBank because they have better products than Nutri Profit. And ClickBank is not free for Nigerians, but depending on the part of the world you're from, you have some countries that you can create free ClickBank account. But if you want to create a free ClickBank account, it is going to cost you some money. You can just hit me up and I'll help you guys with that. Right, it's not free, but Nutri Profit is totally free. You can go ahead and create Nutri Profit account, but me personally, I'll be using ClickBank and Nutri Profit. I'll be using more of ClickBank because I've made crazy amount of money from ClickBank. Right, now the next thing I'm going to do while I'm waiting for the ClickBank products to load is for me to log into my my WordPress mail. Right, in my last video I did a tutorial. I showed you guys WordPress, how to create a WordPress account. Before then I had created a WordPress account, but because of that tutorial I had to create another one. So I'll go to my original WordPress account I created for this purpose. In fact, I will use the two, both this one and the second one. I'm going to use the two to promote products, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to use this one. So basically there are a lot of products on ClickBank Marketplace. So based on this product, I decided to pick one. I'm going to be working on the products one after the other, but the first one I decided to work on is a product of prostrate. Prostrate product, a product that can solve prostrate problem for men. And the name of that product on ClickBank is called Pro 13. So basically what I now did was I went on Google to search for prostrate and all the questions people have been asking. So some people questions like, how can I make my prostrate healthy? Questions like, how do I know if my prostrate is okay? These are the questions people are asking on Google. I'm going to show you guys how I got these questions. Questions like, what is the best thing to drink for your prostrate? Questions like, what can damage your prostrate? All these questions are the questions that I saw from Google that people are asking. There are still plenty of questions like that. So all I just do is I take those questions and bring them to ChatGPT. I rephrase it, I ask ChatGPT, then ChatGPT gives me the answer. So these answers are the things I'm going to put in the blog. This is a summary of what I'm doing. But before that, I'm going to show you guys step by step how I do this thing, right? If you are finding any form of value in this video so far, now what you need to do is to tell me this video makes sense, I'm finding value in it. Just leave that in the comment section. This video so that if you encourage me, the video will go viral. YouTube will actually promote the video, and yes, we're going to continue to push. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, you want to join this challenge, you can just comment hashtag affiliate marketing challenge, then you write I am in or I want to join, so that I can take note of you. Right, and you're going to check a playlist. This video is in a playlist. You watch the other two videos before this one so that you will not miss out on anything we've done so far. But before then, we have to go back to WordPress and log in. I have to go back to ClickBank to show you the product. That is the next step we are right now. Questions here. How to know if you have prostate problem. That's why I asked. You can see a lot of ideas. What are the 5 warning signs of prostate cancer? How can I check my prostate at home? How can I detect an enlarged prostate at home? Now all these questions, you can just begin to pick them and ask them on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to give us answer. Or when you have exhausted all the questions in this place, you can also come to this part. I'm going to come to other searches, all the questions here too. You ask ChatGPT, ChatGPT is going to write blog articles for us. So I can copy this one. How can I check my prostate at home? I'll just copy it, then I'll come to ChatGPT, right? And I'll just come here and I paste it. So I can come here and I'll write, how can I check my prostate at home? Just write a blog article on how can I check my prostate at home, and I click on enter, and ChatGPT is going to write a blog article for us step by step on how you can check your prostate at home. When ChatGPT finish writing this thing, you're going to copy this stuff and you're going to put it on your blog, right? But you're going to draft it because you need to add images to it and put the product links and other stuff, So in this video, once ChatGPT finish writing the article, I'm just going to take it and I'm going to draft it. I already have like 4 articles that have been drafted before now. This one we're going to add it to it, and the next video tomorrow I'll now show you step by step how you can now edit this drafted article, insert images, put affiliate links, blah 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 blah, right? So now we have the article. We didn't write this ourselves, ChatGPT has written it for us. You can copy it. Me personally, I'm not even going to use this post because I want to talk about simple things that people will enjoy reading, right? So anyway, for the sake of the tutorial, that is how you ask questions on Google, then you take it to ChatGPT, and the next thing is for us to upload this answer on our blog. Once we do that, then we save it as draft. In the next video tomorrow, I'm not going to show you step by step how we can now edit this particular post. We can add more flesh to it, we can write more things to it, we can add images to it, and we can also insert affiliate links. So when we do this, we're going to do this for a lot of products, different product like weight loss. This is for prostate. You're going to do for different health products, that we can find, as much as we can find on ClickBank. And when we do that, we will now begin to push traffic to the blog. The purpose of pushing traffic to the blog is for people to begin to see the content you've created and for them to buy, right? That is how this thing works. So you can see that from here I have like 4 drafts. The published posts are the posts that came with the blog. I'm going to delete all these published posts tomorrow, but if you come to my draft, you'll see that I've written a lot of stuff concerning this particular prostate articles. I've done a lot of articles from ChatGPT to the blog, like this one: what can damage your prostate, what is the best thing to drink for your prostate, how do I know if my prostate is okay, how can I make my prostate healthy. Like, I've done these articles, so I'm going to add new post. The new post will be this one that I just copied from ChatGPT, the one I just did, and I'm just going to add it and I'll save it to draft, right? Then tomorrow we'll continue the tutorial. That is what we're going to do today, and that is where we're going to end today's video. If you find any value whatsoever, if you're following this challenge, please make sure you leave a comment and tell me valuable content. I enjoyed the video. If you actually enjoyed the video, if you have any question whatsoever, you can leave it in the comment section, and make sure you like this video. You like it because it's going to encourage me to want to make more videos and update you guys, right? This challenge is not for everybody. It's just for people that are interested, people that want to learn affiliate marketing, organically, without adverts, doing affiliate marketing purely without any capital, right? So we're just going to conclude on this. While I'm waiting for the blog post to load, if this thing takes time, I can end this video here because you guys already know what to do next. When you come to that place, all you need to do is to just paste the article in the new blog post, and that is where the video ends. I think I'm going to end here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Tomorrow we're going to continue from this point, and trust me, we are just going to be taking it one step at a time, easily, until we get to the point where we start pushing traffic and we start looking at conversion or sales of our product. Bye for now. I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.